Ibsontrusty here with ideas for creative minds.
Your handset, a tool or threat. It has come to a time when the handheld pocketable phone or device we carry around called handset needs to be assessed on various grounds, mainly by its use. Most people have it, most people use it and carry it around. Most people don't spend a day without using it. In fact, if not for shower time, the handset seems to be the closest companion to most people, even closer than their spouse. Within it carries a whole lot of things. These days, the handset could contain dictionaries, books, including Bible, Quran, and other holy books, encyclopedias, world maps, contacts, messages, mails, calendars, notes, games, videos, audios, images, stories, social media apps, e-banking apps, internet connectivity, and browsers, voice and video calls, chats, and lots more. It seems to me like we have our world during the handset. It is a telephone, television, radio, music box, calculator, calendar, library, office, shop, market, school, church, club, community, group, safe, notebook, diary, wall map, compass, album, mirror, camera, video and audio recorder, computer, game box, friend, enemy, alarm clock, timer, and lots more. The question is whether our handset is a tool or a threat. Creative ideas. We can have both the good and the bad in our handsets. However, most of the time, we put them there. We can use the handset either for good or for bad. We decide what we do with it. We could use it to study or to waste time. We could use it for communication or for deception. We could get religious and holy with it or get sinful and dirty. We have options with our handsets, myriads of options. That makes it a massive tool or a possible threat. We have to define how it functions for us. Action steps. Take an inventory of all the things you use your handset for and identify the most important use. Identify other things your handset can do by checking its user manual and visiting the App Store. Rate in percentages how much of the functionality of your handset you are using. Get more apps and other stuffs, images, music, videos, or documents where possible to increase the functionality of your handset. Get rid of unwanted apps and other stuff that could make your handset a threat to you or other people. Try to live a day without using it and see for yourself how much it has become part of you. Tips. Use your handset wisely for the good of all. Make it function as a tool to make life easier and more interesting. Don't let it take away your time for family and friends. Learn to manage its use. Remember, you could lose it. Keep backups and protect it. Update, upgrade, and replace it from time to time. Switch it off for some times and enjoy the personal touch of nature. You can schedule power off and on times daily.